So in the question we have fraction of volume of glass must be filled with mercury. So the volume of so in the question we have fraction of volume of a glass flask must be filled with mercury so that the volume of empty space may remain same at all temperatures. Alpha of glass is given. Alpha of glass is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of minus 6 inverse of degree Celsius. Gamma of mercury is equal to 18.9 into 10 to the power of minus 5 inverse of degree Celsius. From this we get gamma of glass is equal to, as we know, alpha into 3 is equal to gamma. So gamma is equal to 9 into 3 into 10 to the power of minus 6, that is 27 into 10 to the power of minus 6 inverse of degree Celsius. So as the fraction of volume inside the glass with mercury as the empty space will remain constant at all temperature. So delta V of glass is equal to delta V of mercury. We need to find the fraction of volume of glass that must be filled with the mercury. That is, we need to find volume of mercury inside volume of glass. So first we can use this equation, that is delta V of glass is equal to delta V of mercury. We know delta V is equal to V gamma delta T. So for volume of glass, we'll take it as Vg into gamma of glass 27 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into delta T. For both of them change in temperature will be same, is equal to volume of mercury is V of Hg into gamma of mercury is 18.9 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into delta T. Delta T will get cancelled for both of them. We need V of Hg by V of G. So this will be equal to 27 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 10 to the power of 5 divided by 18.9. So 9 threes, 2.1s, 3 ones, 3 0.7s. So this will be equal to 10 to the power of minus 1, 10 to the power of minus 1 by 0.7. If we multiply 10 on both sides, 10 to the power of minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 10 into 10 by 0.7 into 10. 10 will get cancelled, so it is 1 by 7. So volume of mercury that should be filled inside glass is equal to the fraction of volume of glass that must be filled with mercury is 1 by 7. 1 by 7th of glass should be filled with mercury so that the empty space will remain constant at all temperatures. So the option is B.